All right, everyone. Happy Saturday. King 5 Meteorologist Adam Claibon here with you. Here we go into Saturday evening and Saturday night. And, well, nothing has changed a whole lot other than just our air mass continuing to warm up more and more. We did have the clouds out there earlier this morning, but few and far between here tonight and really over the next few days. And we're going to see an even warmer day ahead for tomorrow. So it's going to be similar, just quite a bit warmer, maybe by about 5 to 7 degrees. For this evening, though, Royals and Mariners, game 2 of that series starts up at 6:40. First pitch is going to be around the low 70s. We'll drop down eventually into more of the lower 60s. Just look at this forecast. Next 7-day stretch. Sunday, 79, nearing 80 there. Monday, 78 degrees. We cool down, and it looks like we're in the low 70s or perhaps the upper 60s on into the remainder of the week. So this upcoming week, Sunday through Saturday, looking like we are going to see still more sunshine, just maybe a few more clouds, and eventually more of a cool down. The potential for record-breaking highs too tomorrow for Sunday with some of those records in the upper 70s. Now here's a look out at Paradise. Beautiful shot right now. A lot of people got out and just tried to enjoy the weather, whether it was up this way around the mountains there at Paradise, out this way towards the north coast to the Olympic Peninsula, Port Angeles. You can see some people off into the distance just walking right along the waterfront there of the Strait of Juan de Fuca. And then here in Seattle, temperatures in the low 70s. Going to drop here as we head on into the night, more around those 50s and the upper 40s. All right, let's take a look at radar and show you how things are just really so quiet here on this side of the state, that is. You can see across the mountains and into the eastern side of the state. Higher terrain, you often get it during this time of the year, during these type of setups sometimes, that when you get some heating, you get some lifting air, and just a little moisture, you're going to get some of these showers and thunderstorms to bubble up, and that's what we're seeing right now. Seeing more of that across, again, the eastern side of the state, and a lot of that, too, across some of the higher terrain across that side of the state. A little more moisture off towards the south in Oregon. That's because we are closer to that moisture source that is helping to reduce more of the showers across California and into Nevada. Now the heat, we're really going to start to see that crank up heading into the day tomorrow. Record highs potentially around areas such as Bellingham, Seattle, and in Olympia. You can see where our forecasts are. 76, 79, and 85. That would beat out the records right now, which sit at 74, 77, and 82 degrees respectively. All right, so looking at futurecast, any sort of shower activity that's out there, again, this requires some of that daytime heating to help to create more of that instability. We lose that, so we're going to lose the showers there across that side of the state. We'll keep things quiet as we head on into the night there, and you can see a little, if anything, as far as cloud coverage as we head on into the day for tomorrow as things really start to heat up. All right, here's your forecast heading on into the day for tomorrow morning. Low 50s, upper 40s. Going to be a very chilly start to the day for tomorrow. We'll see highs right around more the 70s and, yeah, even the 80s, especially as you get far away from some of those water areas. 82 in Des Moines and then 84 around JBLM. Your 7-day forecast, highs getting ready to top off in the 80-degree territory for the next couple of days, but things do cool down afterwards, and we just keep really a little more the same pattern, just without as much of the warmth. Everyone, take care. Have a great and superb Saturday night, and we'll talk to you soon.